This is crazy. Look at the FDR Drive. This is where it bumps again. Yeah, this is fun. I like this. Now we're crossing this river. Yo, this is crazy. When Eddie sees this, he's gonna be like, oh shit, this is bugging. The bridge, and inside the thing. Let's see if you see sharks. Sharks and dolphins. Look at the current in the river. You can't survive that as a swimmer. Look at the traffic on the FDR Drive over there. There's like a crash over there. I can zoom in. Wow. Oh, we're going down. Yeah, we're gonna go down. Whee! It's like an airplane. Wow, you can feel the wind. We are rocking back and forth. That is cool.